First up, it's Pierre Coulombeau of Enerby. Welcome to EcoSummit.
Hello.
Yeah. Handshake and clicker.
Thank you. So hello, I'm going to present Enerby, and before starting presenting the company, just a little about my background and where I'm coming from. So I've been over the past 15 years involved in startups. I've been a co-founder and developer of Trongo, who has been acquired by VMware in 2008. And after that, I've been a co-founder and I'm now board member of a company called Ideol. Ideol is, like you have seen C-Tower in EDF presentations. Ideol is developing floating platforms, so installing wind turbines in floating platforms offshore. And the company is going to be the first to install windmill floating platforms in France end of this year. About Enerby, Enerby is a company developing a micro generator based on motion and which generate energy from the motion, electricity from motion, at a very small scale and targeting smart object IoT. So Enerby has developed a micro generator based on motion, as I said. The innovation behind Enerby is that it generates electricity with motion which are either slow or fast, regular or irregular. You may know that there is some problem with existing technology, classical technology, which is to generate electricity from slow motion. With Enerby, we have developed technologies that is able to generate electricity even if the motion is slow. And you see here application with our generator, which is the Arrange system, very small, very tight and small. Application in the automotive, application in remote control with just the motion that you take a remote control, you bring a motion that is used to generate the electricity to power a wireless transmission. Another application that you'll see in this video is an application with access control. You enter your house, you enter your office, you have some authentication procedure with a badge, for example. Here we use the motion coming from the handle to power the communication, the authentication, and also the unlocking of the door. Another application, which is dimmers, switches, so building automation, where we can use the generator to power wireless transmission, and we use the motion that we bring when we actionate the dimmer or the switch. We have a lot of different applications in, for example, smart meters, so not electric smart meter, but gas or water, where you don't have the power that is required to send the consumption to the network, and we use the fluid motion. And finally, of course, one of the big stake, and there is a lot of smart object of IoT. We are talking about billions of devices that are going to develop in the coming years. The main problem today is to power these devices, to recharge the requirements, the constraint that is to recharge these devices. It's coming from research and development conducted in research institutes in the Grenoble area, so 4 institutes that have collaborated on this technology, 5 patents that have been transferred to the company. Our first funding round, internal funding round, private funding round from founders and public institution for 2014, and we recently closed our first external funding round, or Series A, with 2 VCs and some banks, VCs which are Emertech and Revolution Capital, or Orcos. Just to come back on what we are doing, where the innovation is, as I mentioned, in all these applications, you have seen application where the motion is slow. And this is where classical generators does not work. Our generator is like a dynamo, but we change the coil by materials that are changing according to the magnetic field that are beyond them. So we have, at the core of our product is a generator, a harvester, and we have developed as well a power management that is used to convert this slow motion into electricity. The result is that it's much more performance than classical generator. And just to take some example here, we have a chart, just forget the chart. At slow motion, slow speed, for example, at the size of a coin cell battery, if you take at this size, you compare the classical generator and our generator, if you need to go to have a very fast motion such that it becomes more, the classical generator becomes as productive as our generator. At 100 RPM, rotation per minute, our generator is 100 times more efficient, generate 100 times more energy. So all the slow motion until 10,000 RPM at this scale, we are much more efficient. And just to see what our products are, our product is our generator. So there are mainly two types of products today. On the center top, you see a rotative generator like a dynamo. So for the handle application, for example, we use this generator and connect this generator directly to the handle to generate electricity. We have also a demonstrator, and I have come with this demonstrator if you want to see it, for inertial generator. It's the application, for example, the smartwatch or the remote control, where you get the energy not for rotation, but from inertia, from accelerations. And so we have a current focus on building automation, smart metering, so using this product. And we need to go 5 times, to downscale the product to target console size applications, so wearables and arm control, which will be a next step for us. That's it. Any questions? Thank you.
Do you have revenue?
So we are pre-revenue still.
Pre-revenue?
Yeah, we are pre-revenue. We have revenue, but it's coming from test program with customers. So we are B2B, so selling our products to equipment manufacturers, and we have revenue coming from this test program. So we sell these evaluation kits to customers that are integrated, and we are focused on customers that are building application with large volume.
And are you fundraising at the moment?
So we have just raised funds. It's a continuous process, but so we are not raising funds presently, but we will be in the coming months when we are starting the production phase.
Yeah. So here's the place where you can build new relationships with potential new investors when the time is right.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, Pierre.
Thank you very much.